Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. So make sure your knees are getting sore and burnt so that the posture is effective on your back and onto your thighs. Stay in this posture for quite a few breaths, and once you're ready, gently inhale and stand up tall and nice and relax.
To get into the tree pose, transfer your weight over to the left side, reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose. Press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body. If you're not able to take your heel closer to the groin, start placing your heel closer to your knee, keeping the right hip joint externally rotating, and then slowly come up as you maintain your balance.
While in a squatting position, maintain equal distance between both the knees and keep the feet flat. Then place your palms in between the knees and flat on the ground while maintaining the knees and elbows at the same level. Bend the torso forward while lifting both the legs up so that the whole body balances solely on the palms. While in this posture, maintain a straight gaze so that your body balances properly. You can hold this posture for at least 20 seconds to a minute while breathing normally, and repeat it once or twice consecutively. Finally, return to the original position.
Begin with Sarvangasana. Again, lie down comfortably on your back and bring your legs all the way up, just like in Viparita Karni. So inhale, bring both your legs up and slowly bring both your legs up towards the sky. So let me show you the difference here. So for Viparita Karni, your hips were way too lower, just like this. So my chin and the chest are apart. And for Sarvangasana, the actual shoulder stand, you push your hips all the way forward and bring your chest closer to your chin and elongate the lower part of your body, creating nice inversion. So your blood is inverted here. Just keep your breath normal and hold the posture for as long as you can, strengthening your shoulders here. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice, and relax your legs.